All right, so last video here. Again, sorry for the third video, but again, I just want to take my time on conditional probability. It's so important. So we're going to apply the conditional probability formula. So it says a band's marketing agent conduct a survey to determine how many high school fans the band has. What is the probability that a surveyed student plans to attend the band's concert and is a fan of the group? So if you take a look here, right, we want to figure out if they're going to attend and are a fan, and, right? Well, if you look here at the results, right, 70% of students plan to attend. So that's the probability of attending. 0.7. 80% of the students who plan to attend are fans. When you see this word who, that word who pretty much means given. So what this is saying is the probability that we're a fan given that we plan to attend is 0.8. That's what this is saying. Right? Now, we're not concerned with this down here because this is about who's not attending. We want to figure out what are the probability that I'm attending and am a fan. So because I see this, I'm going to use this to create my conditional probability statement. Probability of being a fan, given that I attend, is equal to the probability that I am a fan and I attend over the probability that I attend. Right? This is me using the formula. And again, it's all because of this word who, right? Who would have thought who would have thought that who was so important, right? It is with conditional probability. So we know that this value is 0.8. We want to find this top value, call it x, and we know that this value is 0.7. To get x by itself, we're going to multiply both sides by 0.7. And 0.7 times 0.8 is 0.56. That is your x. So your probability that you are going to be a fan and attend, or attend and be a fan, is 0.56 or 56%. Probably want the percentage because that's what it was given as. Okay, all right, and then the last problem here. Okay, so number 4, it says use conditional probability to make a decision. A marketer is looking at mobile phone statistics to help plan an online advertising campaign. She wants to find out which of the company's product is most likely to be purchased after a search for that product on a mobile phone. Okay, so if we take a look here, so if it wants to know which is going to be after a search, right? What this means is we're going to be given that a search occurred. So this after a search means given search. So we want to find the probability of each of these products given that the search occurred. So for instance, probability of them purchasing W given that they searched. Well, that's going to be the probability of W and S over the probability of S. Well, so when I say W, I really mean buy, right? So I should really do this. So for product W, the probability that they buy, given that they search, is the probability of buy and search over the probability of search. Sorry, and this is for W. So over here, so this is my first problem. So the probability that they search and buy is 0.16. The probability that the search is 0.46, and I divide those. And when I divide them, I get 0.348. Next, for X, I'll change colors. Let's do orange. Again, the probability that they buy, given that they search. So the and goes on top. That's the 0.14. The search goes on bottom, the 0.32. And that's going to be 0.4375. I think it was nice and even, so I left it to 4 decimals. Okay, next, what about Y? So the probability that they buy, given that they search, is the, sorry about the bells, is the and on top. So 0.12 divided by 0.35. That comes out to be 0.343. And then the last one is the Z product. Probably that they buy, given they searched, is going to be 0.15 divided by 0.40. And that came out to be 0.375. And now we look and we say, okay, what is the most likely purchased phone or product, right, mobile phone product, after they searched? Well, it's the highest probability here, 0.4375. So product X has the highest chance of being purchased after searched for. All right, cool beans. All right, so thanks for watching these videos. Good luck on the practice.